guys. Today, day 4 to improve to our fluency challenge to day 4. Welcome back to our challenge Abhay with Fluent. Today, I would discuss about to my consumption or listening. Today, I would consume podcast from Rashamani and the American raw officer. The name would be Advir Busterman. Maybe I would discuss about first of all for that guy. Maybe that guy it's to army officer, and that guy the done with lot of operations to done with US and India both together. Maybe that guy tell us which are two types to attack. First is maybe in non-intimate killing. Maybe what is non-intimate killing? Maybe non-intimate killing, it is a way to do something even you are not present there. Example, you go to specific place to take a bomb and set a bomb, then set the deadline to blast, then such a certain period they would blast. That is called non-intimate killing. I think here is a killing for lot of countries to use again and again and again, especially for development countries like America, China, Saudi Arab, India. Maybe there are a lot of big or powerful countries to use again and again and again. And the second type is intimate killing. I think intimate killing is to fight to in front, to war against both together. I would discuss about to my second topic is to my consumption. Today I would consume about book named The Atomic Habit by James Clear. Maybe today I would consume in 170 page number for today. Maybe that page would tell us to the genius would influence to anyone. Maybe in terrorist, maybe in normal people, they would influence to anyone. Maybe I would share about to such key points or rules to especially to conversations to more beneficial to you. Maybe first of all they would try to person name in front of you to sitting or to stand. Maybe X, Y, Z, any name, Aman, Raman, kuch bhi. Second name is second, they would try to 70% listen and 30% to talk, depend upon two person talk in front of you. Okay. Third thing is they would find out what is the interest or what is the talk people about interest in front of you. Fourth thing is they would genuine comment about that guy. Maybe hair, maybe hairs, maybe earrings, etc. And which are few things they would